Hello, my name is Ana Juliet Vanegas. Mi documento de identidad. Bueno, a continuación daré inicio a la actividad. Las 4, let's start. Question number 1. Did you spend a lot of money and you're in the street west you fair amount? No, I didn't spend a lot of money. It was a fair amount. The experience was worth it. Number 2. What are the most visited places of tourist attraction in your city? The most visited place or the shore of San Antonio, the Cristo Rey Monument. Number 3. What place are you most visiting in your trip? The shore of San Antonio and the monument, the Cristo Rey. Number 4. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The Sugar Cane Museum is cheap and very beautiful. Number 5. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The Boulevard of the River was the most expensive place. Thank you.